So hi guys, I'm going to be showing you guys my pets. I have 2 pets, but after that I'm going to actually show you a little bit of what I do with my pets. Now let's go downstairs and hit it. Henry, come. Henry. I'm taking him out. Henry. So, guys, this is my pet dog, Henry. Henry. You're not eating the bird.
Come on, Marco, I gotta make food, so you gotta hurry up.
I want chocolate sandwich.
And then this is Rocco. Hi, Rocco. Hi, Rocco. Rocco, look.
Marco, up,
You're on camera.
up.
Rocco, you're on camera.
There you go, buddy. No other. Up. There
You're on camera. See, Rocco? You're on camera. Hi. Here, Rocco. You're on camera.
Just so you know, you should start videos the other way. Because it's hard to view when, if you turn it like that mid-video, it's not going to be good.
The other way. What's the other way?
It's not going to be good like that if you do it mid.
I know.
Come here, Marco.
Who cares? No. Let me show you my something. Henry's back. Henry doesn't really do anything, but usually I'll lay down when I'm sick with him. Pam, he's 11 years old. Henry! And sometimes I'll feed him. And then, let's find Rocco. Yeah, he is. Sometimes we will just leave him here while we're doing dishes or while we're playing around. Right? Right, buddy? It's okay. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, buddy. Calm down. Sometimes I will feed him some of my dad's chips that he makes. Right, Rocco? Rocco? Alright? Rocco? Yummy. They're yummy. Maybe we'll tap some. But I have an itch. Come on, Rocco. Yum. Yum. Yeah. Feed him his little crackers. Rocco. Yeah.
Remember I said you're not taking a forever long video?
Yes, I know. And then here's my brother pet. Here's my pet who's a brother pet. Say bye-bye, brother pet. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. No. Okay, bye-bye. See you for our next video.